It looks so good, it makes you want to slap your mama. Just kidding. Don't slap any of your mamas. That's disrespectful. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are going to be working on restoring our bracket for the vapor canister. And here we have this beautiful rusty can you even see that good, or is it too dark? Maybe I gotta turn on the lights. Oh, there we go. Here we got this rusty holder bracket for the vapor canister. Look how terrible that is. So you are gonna see that completely refurbished, and this should give you an insight of what I really plan on doing with this truck. So let's get right into it. Alrighty guys, so we are gonna finally start on grinding the bracket down so we can get off all the rust and then paint it. So I went to my local Walmart and bought some cutting wheels for the other project because we have to cut off the floorboard, and I bought some grinding wheels, and this is gonna be for my new Milwaukee grinder. I'm so excited to use this. Link will be in the description below for all this stuff. So let's get started. We're gonna use this rust dissolver. I'll leave it in the link in the description. I basically use the grinder to grind out all the heavy stuff. I try to grind it down straight metal, and what we have to do now, because some of it is just going to take a little while and there's too much rust in the air. Obviously you got to wear your mask and stuff, but this should help dissolve a lot of the rust. You just got to apply it really thick, and as you can see, some spots are turning kind of white, so that means it's working. So I'm just going to lay it on there thick. Now you're supposed to wear gloves when you use this, so I'm being extra careful right now not to get this on my fingers, because if this dissolves rust, it can definitely dissolve something else, so I don't know. But I'm gonna take my time with not getting it on my skin, and obviously still wash your hands after this too. But let us smear this on, and then the next step to this is you're supposed to wash it in water after about 5 to 10 minutes. You let it sit and wash it out in water. So I'm gonna smear this really well, and then we'll go to wash it. And whatever's left, I'll use the grinder to grind again. Now it's time to paint it, and we're gonna paint it gloss black. It's gonna look sick. It looks so good already, so what we're gonna do is let it dry for a little bit and then paint it again after 5 minutes. It looks so good, it makes you want to slap your mama. Just kidding. Don't slap any of your mamas. That's disrespectful. Now we just let it dry. Alrighty guys, so we finally got the bracket cleaned, rust-free, and painted. That black looks so good. It's right over there. You can't even see it. It's blended in with everything else. So the next thing that we're gonna do is put on the new vapor canister, put on the new solenoid, install that back into the truck. But we'll do that tomorrow, as well as most possibly install the gas tank back into the truck. So we'll just see how things go. But today I'm just gonna end this here with the bracket being repaired. And apparently if you go to Chevy and you purchase the new canister, it would come with a bracket. They don't sell the bracket separately, so whatever. I just decided to refurbish mine because I'm not gonna get a canister when I already bought one. Anyway, with that being said guys, I'll see you all for the next one. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you are not already a subscriber. Peace.